Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 mic background noise. Fix it in minutes. First method is change voice focus settings. Second method is change sound settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.